Bookmarks give you quick access to frequently visited websites inside of your browser. Although we're working in Chrome, other browsers have similar features. We're going to focus on the Bookmarks bar. To create a bookmark, navigate to the website and click on the star. Here you can change the name of the bookmark as well as the location for the bookmark. When you're ready, click Done. If you've selected this location, bookmarks will show up in your Bookmarks bar unless you have too many, in which case click the arrows to show your hidden bookmarks. With the default settings, you'll only be able to see 6 or 7 bookmarks total on your Bookmarks bar, but there's a few hacks you can use to increase this number and make Bookmarks bars more friendly for you. The first is, I'm going to right-click on my Bookmarks bar and go to Add Folder. In my Bookmarks bar, I'm going to add a folder for my school websites and click Save. Because I have so many bookmarks on my Bookmarks bar, that folder is now in the hidden bookmarks location. If I click and drag the folder, I can relocate it and drag icons for the other bookmarks that I want to live inside that folder. A second tip for managing your Bookmarks bar is that we can shorten these bookmark names so that we can fit more in this area. If I right-click and go to Edit, I can either change the name to something shorter, or if I delete the name entirely and click Save, now my bookmark becomes just the symbol. This can be useful for sites that have a very unique logo. If I know the logo for Alex, I'm going to right-click, go to Edit, delete the name, and now all I have is this symbol that if I click on will take me to my bookmark. If I don't know the symbol well, or the symbol is something that is nondescript, then I probably shouldn't change this to just an icon. So if I don't know the Pear Deck icon, I'm going to right-click. Maybe I just change the name to something shorter so that more can fit on my Bookmarks bar. Managing your Bookmarks bar can also be done under the 3 dots. Go to Bookmarks and Bookmark Manager. Here you can add folders, drag, rename, and do all the things that we just did. Bookmarks are meant to increase your efficiency while working in your web browser. Use these tricks to help you become more organized.